And a very good evening to all my viewers, a very good day. It is right now Tuesday, October 3rd, 2023. It's 12:57 a.m. Eastern Canadian time. And indeed, we have a lightning storm going on just east of Montreal. Look at that, we got some beautiful lightning, which is not extremely rare for this time of year, but it can happen, but it's somewhat more uncommon. And I was checking the radar and it looks like there's a little cell or moderate cell just east and northeast of the city of Montreal. So I'm gonna stay here for a few minutes and get some lightning footage here. Haven't seen any lightning strikes. It seems to be within the clouds, which is not a negative thing. It's actually pretty cool because it kind of gives an illumination effect. And just to show you, we have the moon out tonight and Jupiter up there. So we have a clear patch of sky here with the moon and Jupiter, and over here to the east we have, oh, there was a nice lightning strike. We have some lightning, so kind of cool to see. So I'll keep filming here, getting some more footage of this. And I'll just show you quickly to the west, also clear skies. And we're in the Verdun borough of Montreal, if you're wondering. So a nice little light show here to start October. I'm not sure how severe it is directly under the cell. There's a nice one there. So I'll film for another maybe 2 minutes or so, and I'm going to try to do a time-lapse video of some lightning. Wow, that was a beautiful one. Look at that. So it might be increasing in terms of intensity. And you can see straight ahead, there's Place Ville Marie with the rotating beacon. And there was no rain, even a light sprinkle, not even a light sprinkle of rain forecast overnight, at least from what I saw, let alone potential thunderstorm or thunder shower. So I'll definitely keep an eye on this, because if it gets closer, I want to definitely get some footage of this. Wait for one more decent flash of lightning, and then I'll do my next recording. Oh, I think I hear a bit of thunder. If you look at the clouds, if you want to use this lamp post as a reference point, looks like those clouds and that system is moving right towards us here. So keep an eye on this for sure. Alright, so there's 5 minutes of footage of this beautiful October thunder shower during the evening, moving into the Montreal area, or at least coming relatively close to the Montreal area. Thanks for watching, and as always, more footage to come, more content to come. Wait for one more to end the video. There we go.